Let's make a simple stained glass gift each week until Christmas. This week we're making a pie slice and whipped cream ornament. This pattern is available for free on my website, reneestainedglassworks.com. Today we're soldering, and I'm using my Haku FX 601 soldering iron. I'm using 6040 solder, and I'm also using Nokorode paste flux. And I like to dip the tip of my iron into my Old Masters Novacan liquid flux. It helps keep my tip clean, and it picks the solder up really nice. So that's a nice tip. I never like scrub my tips or anything like that. I know a lot of people do that, but I don't do any of that. I simply heat it, wipe it, dip it, and solder away. So that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, I love soldering. It is absolutely my favorite part of doing stained glass. You can get so creative with it. It's so much fun. What's your favorite part of stained glass? Before layering our dollops of whipped cream, we're going to clean our surfaces with some alcohol. And I do this anytime I do any type of layering. I'm not sure how everybody else does it. This is just what I find works best. If anybody else does layering a different way, please share with everybody. I would love to hear more about how you guys do your pieces. This is just how I do mine and wanted to share with everybody. And you'll see here before I start layering that I like to make sure I have no solder lumps or bumps. I want my glass to sit nice and flat on the surface. And so that's my goal anytime I'm doing any type of layering, is to keep the surface as smooth and flat as possible. That way it looks good, there's no gaps. And yeah, if you guys do it different, again, please shout it out and let us all know. And as you'll see here, I'm attaching the whipped cream dollop to the solder line. This is going to help ensure that it's strong. And we're going to attach in other spots too, right on the edging there. And I do like to do this in a few spots just to make sure that it is strong and it stays, it's not going anywhere. And I'm using the paste flux so that the liquid flux doesn't drip down in between the two pieces of glass. I find that the paste flux works best for this. And then with attaching the hook, I kind of went in between the back pie slice and the whipped cream dollop, because that dollop of whipped cream is attached to our solder line, so it's a good strong point. And these pieces are very light, they're small, they're very light, there's not much to them. It's not like we're hanging a huge heavy weighted piece here. So this is definitely sufficient and a very good spot to attach it. Plus it looks balanced and it hangs in a good way.
Not too bad.
So I thought to give it like a bumpy crust look, I would add some solder dollops to the top of my piece here. And I wish my phone, this is a new phone, guys, and I really wish it would focus. Unfortunately, I did not get to capture this process, but hopefully next time. Well, obviously I have to work out the glitch with the new phone. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching and following along. And if you're interested in getting this pattern, it's available for free on my website, reneestainedglassworks.com. I also offer some of the supplies on here, and I offer free US shipping. So anyway, it's all great. Any support is much appreciated. And now we're going to be on to cleaning and finishing our gifts.